let's talk about Hibernaculums. So, Hibernaculums are the most well-known in snakes. However, other animal species do participate in Hibernaculums as well, including things like frogs, turtles, and insects. But let's talk about the snakes one. The most well-known types of Hibernaculums are just a fuck ton of snakes all chilling together during the winter. They all hibernate in the same area. Now, not all snakes hibernate socially, and not all snakes hibernate. It's mostly in areas that have a cold winter, and many snakes are also solitary and hibernate in their own burrows. However, the socially hibernating snakes form this very large hibernaculum, which is basically, again, a lot of snakes coming together in the same area and just hanging out for the winter. Now, many reptiles, including snakes, undergo what is called brumation, which is basically like hibernation, just shutting everything down so you are barely alive, and then restarting in the summer when temperatures are warmer. So these hibernaculums are often filled with tens to hundreds to thousands of these brumating, almost dead snakes. And then they just kind of stay there doing absolutely nothing throughout the entirety of winter until temperatures get warm enough where they emerge in this giant pile of spaghetti. Now, garter snakes are probably the most well known for this. However, multiple other snake species also do this, either again socially or on their own. But it is not that uncommon for multiple snake species to share the same hibernaculum. It is most common that they go with their own species, but it's been observed, especially with garter snakes and rattlesnakes, like in this picture, where you'll find both of them just kind of hanging out over the winter, which is very interesting. And sometimes there can be multiple different species, not just garter snakes, not just rattlesnakes, but kind of any somewhat social hibernating snake that can be found in the area. They will join this hibernaculum and kind of just hang out together until spring.